I'd like to define concentration as the ability to keep your awareness, that ball of light, on one thing for an extended period of time. So if I can keep my awareness on you without it drifting somewhere else, I'm concentrating. And if it starts to drift away, I'm being distracted, then I use my willpower and bring my awareness back to you. It's in my humble opinion that people can't concentrate for two reasons. One is that they've never been taught to concentrate. Two is they never practice concentration. How many of you here, growing up in school, had formal classes every day, the same way you had classes on English and math and science every day, week after week, month after month, have classes on concentration? It's so amazing. I travel all around the world and ask this question. Nobody puts their hand up. How many of you here, when you were growing up, were told to concentrate? How many of you have kids? How many of you tell your kids to concentrate? Isn't that interesting? People tell you to concentrate, but they don't teach you how to do it. I got told to concentrate all the time when I was growing up. Dandapani, concentrate on your homework. Dandapani, concentrate on eating your food. Anybody want to show me how to do it? No. So if you don't teach someone how to concentrate, and they don't practice concentration, how would they be good at it? People are good at distraction because they practice it all day. You become good at whatever it is you practice. And if you don't learn concentration and you don't practice it, you'll never be good at it. Even kids. If you have kids and your kids can't concentrate, you need to ask yourself a question first. Have I actually taught my child how to concentrate? Imagine handing them zero and asking them to use it. Well, you train them how to use the software first, right? Before you can expect them to use it well. So if you haven't taught them how to concentrate, how can you expect them to concentrate? They naturally would be distracted because that's what they practice all day, and you become good at whatever it is you practice.